I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account with admin rights so you can act across OneDrive, SharePoint, and Exchange. Once signed in, open the storage dashboard to see used versus available space, because knowing where the bulk lives saves time. Make a quick backup of critical files to a local drive or external device, then close unnecessary apps. This prevents sync conflicts. Now, move to clearing large items. Prioritize shared libraries and mailbox attachments first so you reduce used space efficiently. You now analyze storage. Sort files by size and last modified date in OneDrive and SharePoint so the biggest offenders appear first. Then, remove unnecessary versions and empty recycle bins. Versions and bin content still consume quota. Make sure to check Exchange mailboxes for large attachments and archive or delete them. Use bulk delete filters to speed it up. If site collections or old backup files persist, either delete or export them to cheaper storage. Because offloading large objects reduces you finish by reviewing quota reports and enforcing retention policies so clean space stays free. This prevents rebound growth. Then compact mailboxes and remove orphan site collections to reclaim hidden space, and verify shared links and permissions are correct so users can still access needed files. If something goes wrong, check sync logs for conflicts, inspect permission errors, and use restore points to recover accidentally deleted items. Make sure to communicate with affected users while you resolve issues to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.